What's up? I just had amazing sniper gameplay. I'm going on theater for this. I think it watches someone else for a bit. Yeah, right here. I'm just sniping, going around, and yeah, I'm just sniping. Look. See, 50 points, 50 points. I don't usually use like normal guns. I'm always like hurt. Look, right here. 1, 2. Then I'm just waiting. And then I figure mine will go back to that spot. And 1. And they're all just coming at me. And then I'm like, whoa, they're right there. Collateral. And then then he's trying to get me. I was like, oh my fuck. Where is he? And then I get him. But then he comes from the side. I have some more. I'm trying to change my class back to a sniper because I didn't know how good I was doing with it. Then I try to pick it up again. I'm trying to pick the gun up. I keep hard scoping, you know. It's like, oh, grenade. I think I die here actually. Yeah, he comes from behind. I remember. No, I don't. Yeah, then I changed back to my sniper because I thought I was doing so good. I always try to get random tomahawks. Got a couple already. Or more than a couple, I got plenty. Oh, that noob with that stupid friggin' PP that I use. I like sniping too now. I always check my corners before I actually go around them. See, I hate people who steal kills. Like, it pisses me off. But I think it's pretty much over right here. No, 10 more points. I think I get a couple more kills, actually. Oh yeah, right here, I'm beating a new bot. Boom! And then I get a final stand, and I get him quick scope. And then someone comes from behind, I think, yeah. And I think I get one more kill or it's done or something. Yeah, it's done. Well, thanks for watching my awesome sniper awesomeness. But, like, subscribe, comment. Peace out.